Imagine if something as simple as the way you sit, move, or breathe could change the way you think, feel, and make decisions. Sounds too simple to be true, right? But science now shows it's not just true, it's powerful. This concept is called embodied cognition, and it explains how your body and brain are in constant conversation. Your posture, gestures, facial expressions, and even tiny movements shape your thoughts, your mood, and even your reasoning. Today, we're going to explore how your body secretly drives your mind, give you practical examples from everyday life, education, and therapy, and teach you exercises to harness this power for better mental health. By the end, you'll see your body not just as a vessel for your brain, but as a tool for thinking and feeling better. Let's start with a simple but surprising idea. Your brain doesn't work alone. For decades, scientists thought thinking happened only in the head, as if the brain was separate from the body. But research in embodied cognition tells a different story. Your body actively shapes your mental processes. Movements, gestures, posture, and even breathing send signals to your brain that influence attention, memory, problem-solving, and emotions. For example, sitting upright can increase alertness and confidence, while slouching can contribute to negative mood and mental fatigue. Your body is not passive, it's a partner in thinking. Gestures are more than just communication. They help you reason. Studies show that people who gesture while explaining ideas or solving problems perform better than those who stay still. Moving your hands activates parts of the brain that create extra pathways for learning and memory. So when you're stuck on a math problem, planning a project, or brainstorming an idea, don't just think, move. Gesture, point, mimic. Your body is your thinking partner. Posture is another powerful example. Adopting expansive, open positions, often called power poses, can increase confidence, reduce stress, and even influence hormones such as cortisol and testosterone. Conversely, hunched or closed postures can make you feel anxious, less capable, and more self-conscious. This isn't about faking confidence, it's about training your body to guide your mind. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest open, and notice how your thoughts and emotions shift. Facial expressions are also a direct form of embodied cognition. Smiling activates neural circuits that improve mood, lower stress, and enhance social connection. Therapists often use exaggerated expressions during sessions to help patients regulate emotions. On the other hand, frowning or scowling can amplify negative feelings. Your facial muscles send signals to your brain, shaping your emotional state. In other words, your body influences how you feel, not just reflects it. Movement itself is another powerful tool. Walking, stretching, or even tapping your feet can boost creativity and problem-solving. Studies show that people who walk while brainstorming generate more ideas than those who sit. Movement increases blood flow to the brain, activates networks, and allows new connections to form. So if you feel stuck or overwhelmed, move. Let your body lead your mind to fresh insights. Muscle tension, posture, and breathing patterns are deeply connected to stress and cognition. Shallow breathing, tight shoulders, or a clenched jaw keeps the nervous system in fight or flight mode. Deep diaphragmatic breathing, relaxed shoulders, and open posture activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting calm, focus, and clarity. Practices like yoga, tai chi, or mindful stretching don't just move the body, they recalibrate the mind, reducing stress and improving emotional balance. Embodied cognition also plays a role in social interaction. Mirror neurons in your brain allow you to subconsciously mimic posture, gestures, and facial expressions of others. This is how we empathize, predict emotions, and communicate effectively. Standing tall, smiling, and leaning slightly forward in conversations can positively influence both your mind and the perception of those around you. In classrooms, therapy sessions, and workplaces, body-based interactions improve learning, engagement, and collaboration. Physical gestures prime cognition in surprising ways. Nodding while listening improves memory, clenching a fist can increase motivation, and tilting your head slightly can help decision-making. The body isn't passive, it shapes how the brain processes information. Using embodied cognition intentionally can enhance focus, creativity, and learning. Your interaction with the environment also shapes thinking. Holding heavy objects can make ideas feel more important. Walking uphill affects risk perception. Leaning forward improves engagement and attention. Your mind isn't confined to your brain, it's distributed across your body and environment. Every step, touch, and movement feeds cognition. Educational methods and therapies that include movement, sensory engagement, and interactive exercises outperform passive approaches because of this principle. Habits are another layer of embodied cognition. Repeated body movements create neural circuits supporting long-term mental patterns. Sitting upright daily primes attention. Stretching primes calm. Gesturing reinforces memory. Your body and brain form a continuous loop. Small daily routines compound to create sharper focus, emotional resilience, and enhanced cognitive flexibility. Shaping your body is shaping your mind. Here's a simple exercise you can try. Sit upright, relax your shoulders, take 3 deep breaths, and smile. Notice how your thoughts feel clearer, your mood lighter, and your energy higher. Another exercise. When brainstorming, gesture actively or pace while thinking. These small practices engage neural networks that enhance problem-solving, memory, and creative insight. Over time, intentional body practices can permanently improve mental health, confidence, and cognition. Embodied cognition is also critical in learning. Students who gesture while learning retain information better. Teachers who incorporate movement and hands-on experiences see improved comprehension. Therapists who integrate movement report enhanced emotional processing. Cognition isn't in the head alone, it's distributed across body and environment. Interactions, gestures, posture, and movement are all tools for better learning and mental health. Public speaking and confidence offer practical applications. Adopting open postures, using gestures, and controlling breathing can reduce anxiety, increase self-assurance, and improve performance. Even practicing in front of a mirror influences internal states. Body-based preparation leads to mental clarity and emotional stability. Every decision, judgment, and insight is influenced by bodily feedback. Feeling expansive encourages bold choices. Feeling grounded enhances clarity. Feeling constricted fosters caution. Sensory experiences, touch, movement, posture, guide thought. Your body is a real-time cognitive tool, and using it intentionally enhances memory, decision-making, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Let's make this practical. Here are 5 exercises to harness embodied cognition. First, stand upright with chest open and arms stretched for 2 minutes to boost confidence. Second, gesture while explaining or problem-solving to improve retention. Third, smile for 30 seconds to shift mood. Fourth, pace or walk while thinking for creative brainstorming. Fifth, practice deep diaphragmatic breathing for 1 to 2 minutes to reduce stress and sharpen attention. Integrate these exercises into daily life and watch your mind-body connection strengthen. By incorporating these practices daily, you'll notice sharper focus, improved mood, increased creativity, and emotional resilience. Embodied cognition is not abstract, it's practical. Small body changes lead to significant mental gains. Posture, movement, gestures, facial expressions, and interaction with your environment are all powerful levers for mental health and performance. Start today. Stand tall, move intentionally, gesture when you think, smile, and breathe. Your body is more than a vessel, it's your thinking partner. Embodied cognition is real, and it's a tool you can use to enhance focus, creativity, emotional balance, and resilience. Your mind and body are a team. Train both, and the results compound. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, Share it with someone who wants to unlock their mind-body potential, and subscribe for more insights on improving your cognition, creativity, and mental health. Remember, your body isn't just carrying your mind, it's shaping it every moment.